So my name's Eric Ekman. I'm with ARIA Cybersecurity. We're a division of CSP Incorporated, focused on OT protection of endpoints and operating systems at an OT or production network. You know, the core industries for us are critical infrastructure, the 16 identified critical infrastructure, but anybody running an industrial control network is a great fit for us. Rockwell, as part of their technology partner program, has big companies, billion-dollar entities, Cisco and Clarity and all these other vendors. Why would they want a little company nobody's ever heard of called ARIA? It's because we do things that nobody else can do. We're not replacing them, we're augmenting and complementing them, but we bring in a new solution. So almost all the other endpoint protection services and solutions are based on identifying known signatures or indicators of compromise is the terminology. We don't need to know any of those things. We can catch the 0-day or brand new things that nobody else can. Because of the way we are architected, we're looking for fundamental techniques that the attackers use, and we have a set of countermeasures that are built into the solution. Our solution is called AZT Protect, and it's a kernel level driver that we load in a Windows or Linux operating system. And basically it's an automated allow listing tool, which is a fancy way of saying that we keep the good stuff running and let that run, but we block all the bad stuff. As I mentioned, it's a kernel level driver, so when you use that terminology, sometimes people get nervous that we're going to interrupt performance of the production line. And that's the first thing that we can't do. So it's a tiny little footprint. We take up, it's measured in megabytes instead of gigabytes or terabytes or these larger footprint type solutions that again are more warranted for the IT side of the house. We also don't require any updates. We see when we walk around plant floors, there's a lot of these devices that just can't get patched, can't get updated, and that's part of our secret sauce. We can protect all the way back to Windows XP and Windows 7. There's very few vendors that can protect Windows XP devices. The implementation is quick, simple, can be done by anybody. The interface is very friendly and easy to use. And usually, again, we're managed typically by a controls guy who is an engineering type person rather than an IT trained person, and an hour of training, and they're experts on it. The other thing is, because of the deployment model, basically after a few days, you're all set. You switch from detect to protect mode, which is the terminology that we use, and once you're in that protect mode, it's just going to run in the background and just keep you protected, and there's not a lot of ongoing maintenance and management required.